messages. But once it exceeds, you simply add how many is the exceed, or how many messages does it exist. Let's say it exceeds 5 messages, so you can have 250 plus m. So 250 plus 5 exceeding messages, you are going to pay 255. Take note, this is 200 text messages, 250 is the payment. But if it exceeds 5 peso, 1 peso per text message, and that is 5. Next, a certain chocolate bar costs 50 peso per piece. However, if you buy more than 5 pieces, they will mark down the price to 48 per piece. So use a piecewise function to represent the cost in terms of the number of chocolate bars bought. So we have two conditions or situations. How much does a chocolate have? 50 peso. But if you buy more than 5, that will be 48 peso. So for buying 5 chocolate bars or less, so what are the numbers less than 5? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in here we have n is between, or n is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 5. So what is the cost? Fn is equal to 50. And for buying more than 5 chocolate bars, the cost is 48n if n is greater than 5. So example, let's have 6 chocolate bars. So that will be 48, and 48 times 6. So again, I'll repeat, this is a piecewise function. You have two formula for the product. Letter C, the cost of hiring a customer catering service to serve food for a party is 250 per head for 50 persons or less, 200 per head for 51 to 100 persons, and 150 per head for more than 100 persons. Represent the total cost as a piecewise function of the number of attendees to the party. So this one illustrates a piecewise function because we are going to make use 3 different formulas to solve the given, or to solve a product, or to obtain a product. So it's in here, kung mas marami, mas mura. So depende kung anong category siya pupunta. So magkano? Cost for service to at least 50 person, that is 50 person or less. So that is n is less than or equal to 50. Magkano ang isa? 250. Next, that should be 250 each. Next, if we have 51 to 100 persons, the answer will be 200 each if each ba to? N. 200 n if the number is from 51 to 100, and if it is greater than 100, the answer will be 150 n.